So you're wearing PE today again?
Yeah.
Why?
Because tomorrow we are going to theater.
Ah, okay. I'm making chicken sandwich today, okay?
Get my chocolate. Mommy always get my new coat ready. Okay.
Still having a shower? Huh? You on your phone?
Trying to tell you, baby, but you just don't seem to see it. So no, can I pretend I don't love you like I do? No, can I pretend I don't love you like I do? No, so should I pretend that the feeling isn't true?
Kuya, ayaw niya na nagdadala ng snacks. Sak, you want kiwi? I'm just gonna slice it. I'm not gonna remove the skin.
Yeah. Mom.
I'm just gonna slice like this, Holly, and then you're just gonna...
Okay.
Okay? This is I don't have jelly. No, it's not gonna fit Baba here.
No, no. Oh,
It's too big.
I'll put it in there. I don't
I'm gonna put it outside. Sak, can you get me ice and then the ice pop?
Do you want an ice pack?
Yes. And another ice for Holly, please.
Right, so how long are you going for that?
And can you get yours, please? put the straw. Is the straw in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Huh?
Didn't you try that yesterday?
Yeah. It's the one he had yesterday. And that last, what? Tomorrow you're gonna bring the small, I'm gonna put all the small ice, lots of ice, so it will be cold until tomorrow night. All you have to do is to bring 2
Right.
bottles of water to refill it.
I use Intense. What do you think?
Okay?
So who are you going in with?
What do you mean?
What time are you being with someone?
I don't know.
Did I choose? Did I choose?
Yeah.
Okay, get me water.
Did I
please.
choose your doors? What do you get put with weirdos?
Okay, more here. And Kuya, can you put all the bottles in the recycle bin, please? I think you need one more sack. Not all, but yeah. Okay, that's it. And you can bring that so you can refill all the bottles, Kuya. Only open the door for him, please. Holly,
Yeah.
get your hair tied now, please.
Wait, where'd you put it, Mum?
Oh, it's in the car. Okay, just put this one. Where's your bag?
In
Give me your bag now.
the bedroom.
Do you need this, Holly? Holly, do you need this piece of wood? This an end. This an end. end? Right. Okay. See ya. Bye. See ya. Listen and. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hands out for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word even when it hurts, everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy, I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun everywhere you go, everywhere you're running.
Update. Ang dami ko na nagawa, guys. Nakapag-edit ako. And kanina tumawag din si Jan. And yun nga, sad news. Wala na yung friend niya. So, pauwi na siya. So, siguro baka mga 5 or 6 siya darating. And tinanong ko siya kung gusto niya ng dinner. Hindi raw siya magdi-dinner. So, yeah. Wala na yung friend ni Jan. So, nakakalungkot lang, no? So, yung mga nagawa ko pala, nakapaglaba ko ng mga ano ni Jan, yung kanyang mga pangtrabaho, nalabahan ko yun. Tapos, nag-load ako ng mga basahan, yung sa bathroom, toilet, and dun sa laundry, and dito rin sa kitchen. So, yun yung aking nilalaban. And yeah, mamaya-maya, nandito na yung mga bata. So, baka naglalakad ng mga yun. Usually, pinipick up sila ni Jan sa bus station. Pag nandito siya, minsan ako, pero maglakad na lang sila. Kasi dyan lang naman. Wala pa akong kinain, and ito yung first, water pala kanina lang. Yun lang, tubig, tapos siya cold. So, ang dinner namin, gagawa na lang ako ng chicken quesadilla. Hindi ko gagamitin yung pressed. Gagamit tayo yung pan. And lalagyan ko siya ng... Kasi meron pa ako ditong ano. So, ito na lang yung dinner ng mga bata. Meron pa ako ditong spinach. So, lalagyan ko siya ng spinach mamaya. And... gagawa ulit siguro ako ng sauce para sa quesadilla. And meron pa akong croissant. Mag-croissant na lang ako. Wala pa akong kain, so kain tayo. Gawa na lang ako ng ham and cheese croissant. Tapos ano ba to? Nung sinabi ko alam din kasi nila kuya. Kasi close namin yung pati yung mga anak nila. So nalaman din nila kahapon, kagabi, na yun nga, wala na yung friend ni daddy nila. And alam niyo ba, sabi ni kuya, this year is really not good year, ha, ma'am. Sabi ko, I know. Hi! Andito na si Holly. Hindi siya fluffy, etong croissant. Hi, Baba!
Hi, Mom.
How's your day?
Good.
That's good. How's your cooking?
Good.
Good. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Okay, wash your hands and Eat some yogurt. Oh, you're gonna have lunch, dinner. Hi,
Dad
Sam.
coming back?
Later. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
You have a heavy my bag.
Why it's so Where's your,
My drink bottle and my
where's your music?
what's that? So I gotta give it back to him.
Hiya.
What's that?
I'm gonna make chicken quesadilla and I will make sauce. Say hi to my vlog. Hello. Yeah, why so heavy, Zach? Ang bigat ng ano niya, para kung may ginto dito na bar. You get your jacket. Kasi nandito daw yung tubig niya. Baba, give me your lunch bag, please. So I can wash it.
I didn't get to eat my kiwi, Mum, because we had sports very straight. But I can eat it now.
Okay, wash your hands. May
Yeah,
dala
let me
si...
just get changed first, Mommy.
Okay, may dala si Sak na extra water. Oh, meron pa tong konti. Kaya ang bigat ng bag niya kasi may dalawang tubig siya. May letter siya.
What do you need to do? What's that?
Yeah. Give it
Who's
to
taking him up to the mail?
me. Daddy. Daddy will be here later.
Apparently, wait, what's that? Mom, apparently Brock might be taking that.
No,
Yeah, Dad
That's
said.
That's
That's what
what
Brock said.
Dad said to James.
no,
Yeah,
because,
probably.
no, Daddy's already here,
Yeah,
sir.
but Dad said because Mitch is going with Brock.
I can
might
take
not.
you.
No, they can take me.
I can take you.
They can take me.
Why? You don't want me to take you to school tomorrow for your camp?
Mum, you're gonna have to wake up early then.
Yeah.
Dad can go with his friends. He can make us lunch.
And I'm gonna make you.
cold.
Yeah.
Yeah,
My
Mum.
hat in here.
Did you finish all your food?
Who's that? Isn't this yours?
I better ring Brock.
Hindi niya kinain yung ano.
I'll
That's
ring
Brock.
Zach. I'm gonna ring Brock and tell him.
Yung
that you
kanyang
have to
ano, yung kanyang.
Dad, you
Hi,
have-
guys.
Etong Kellogg's.
Bring him.
So, why you didn't get your, ano, and same as you. Ay, nako, sinasayang nyo. Hindi niya rin,
Let me eat my kiwi.
hindi niya rin kinain. You have to eat this, okay? That's your snacks.
No, because couldn't have time because we had sport at 3.
Okay, Safi, put your bag there, please. Do you have any papers in your bag, like for me or for Daddy?
Yeah.
Di ba? Kakain ako ng croissant na hinto. Okay, Sak, put your bag in your room now, please.
Leaving on
Mom, can I eat this thing?
Mum.
It's up to you. Huh? Sak, can you please remove this? I just tied up here. Can you please remove this one here?
That's yours.
Where did he left
On
his
the bus.
hat? Kalimutan ng ng kanyang friend, yung kanyang
What
hat.
shoes I'm wearing for the thing?
Okay. And dito, very important na lagi silang mag-wear ng hat every time na lalabas sila sa school.
Can I have something good for lunch?
Ha?
Can I have something good for lunch?
Make you some good for lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you, hot dog.
Do we go no?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yay.
Yung croissant, hindi siya parang matigas. Parang,
Mom, we're watching Elsa at the theatre tomorrow.
are you?
Mhm.
But you already watched Elsa.
At the theatre at school.
At the
We're going
theater.
to a theatre
Uh-huh.
and we're going to watch Elsa.
Okay.
Yum, 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 yum. Mom, guess what color I did for my rock candy?
Yeah, what did you do?
Guess what color I did it?
Blue.
Yes.
Ngayon, ang current favorite niyang color is light blue, not yung blue. Matigas siya. Ay, hindi na ako bibili next time. Masarap yung... Nasanay kasi tayo dun sa sa Baker's Delight is one of the best bakery dito, guys, sa Australia. I'm not sure dito sa amin, but yeah. Kahit
We
sa
don't
naman
know
may
if there's any more.
yeah, there
These used to
is.
be so big.
I know.
They used to be ball shorts to me.
Oh, nababali siya. Hindi siya maganda sa itsura pa lang.
I think
Isaac, why you didn't eat your Kellogg's?
I don't like them ones.
You don't
I
like?
don't like the brown ones.
Ang kinakain lang nila is yung
I don't
white.
like the banana. No, the
the yogurt
The yogurt.
and
Cheese.
the unicorn one.
Cheese. So, hindi nila kinakain. Yung, yung Kellogg's na yun, ano siya? Iba-ibang flavor. So, pinipili
This is
lang nila.
the-
So, minsan
wait,
naiinis ako
what were
kasi
we having for lunch?
This
Um,
is the one we
they don't
that
like.
we don't like.
But we cannot choose because it's, 3 kinds of flavor siya. Nasaan
Yeah.
yung aking croissant? Binalik ko.
Why is it so weird? Yeah, the rest of
Baba, can you get me plate, please? A small plate? I-toast na lang natin itong bongga para sumarap siya. So, ito na yung ating ham and cheese croissant.
yogurt.
Ayun, but make sure you're gonna eat your, your quesadilla.
Yeah, I will. Quesadilla.
What flavor? Mango and soda.
Yeah. They have strawberry almond mango though.
Put this one.
I'll put that in the bin.
Is that good? Nice.
Yummy.
Sarap. This is good.
Hey. You want that too, Mom?
No, I'm good, thank you. Kain tayo.
Cut in with my yogurt.
What's the boy watching?
I'm not sure.
What are you watching? Mortal Kombat.
Yeah.
Ano na guys, 5:08 na to. So, kumain. Gawin ko na yung chicken. Titimplahan ko ulit yung chicken. Kunin ko lang yung mga spices ko dito. So, although ano na siya guys, roast na siya, diba? Ready na to. Pero, timplahan ko pa rin siya para maiba naman yung lasa niya. Tapos, isosaute ko saglit sa sa butter or olive oil. Pwede ko na pala dito isute. So, hindi na, isute, i-mix. Hindi na natin yung kailangan para makatibid tayo sa sa hugasan. So, meron ako ditong onion powder. Kahit eto, pwede na itong gawin na quesadilla guys. Ako lang, gusto ko lang timplahan para maiba naman yung lasa. Paprika. Usually ginagamit to sa minamarinate to sa hilaw na chicken. Meron na tayong lutong chicken eh. Garlic powder. Para magkakulay lang siya na yung parang yung mapula-pula ba. Pepper. Kulang nga to. Wala kasi ako yung iba. Kung ano lang yung nasa ref natin. Meron tayong eto. Flaming grilled burger sauce naman to. Nasaan yung ating? Wala tayo. Lagay tayo ito. Konting sriracha. At saka yung Bakit ako bumubulong?
Hi, Mom.
Meron tayong gloves.
Chicken.
Masahin lang natin ito. Konting olive oil. Avocado oil pala. Konti lang. So at least nagamit na natin lahat ng chicken. Kasi bukas iba yung lunch nila eh. Bango.
Yes. Why can we just not finish our order? Dad, can it be good? You know that one in the middle one?
Stop. Oh yeah, you can have one. I'll have the one with mussels. Thanks.
It's 2 each. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
No. Thanks, Mum.
Welcome. Baba, you can have this.
One. That's the one.
And then behind those you've got Coley, Sterling Magic, Extreme. Imagine what you could be buying instead. For free and confidential support, call the number on the screen or visit the website. Bennett Racing has become a force in racehorse syndication.
Hello.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I